amongst his red cars. That's crazy. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I just finished installing the MLT Engineering and Design E9X aluminum skid plate for these cars. This is a great product, you guys. If you know anything about these cars, the factory OEM undertrays on these just tend to fall apart over time. And being that most of these cars are relatively old and have higher mileage, 9 times out of 10, yours is likely going to need to be replaced. The 3 OEM undertrays that you need to cover up this area are around $500 from BMW, and the MLT aluminum skid plate is actually less than the OEM. So you're getting better protection, you're getting longer durability, and what I really like about the design of this undertray is that it's actually one piece, so it's very easy to take off and put on. You won't be fighting with it when you have to remove all the undertrays on your car. Furthermore, I think it looks really good. I think they also make this in gloss black. I went for the matte black finish, and the kit comes with everything you need. So you get the undertray, and then you also get all of the stuff that you need in order to install it. The install on this really shouldn't take you too long, probably 15-20 minutes max. You can definitely knock this out in your garage. You don't need to have a lift, but obviously I wanted to give you guys a better view of what it looked like underneath the car. So huge shout out to MLT Engineering and Designs for sending this out. I'm gonna have it linked down below. Now we're gonna head back home and knock out another little project that we have on this E92. Alright, so there we are. That is the Turner triple baffled power steering reservoir with the angle mount kit. I can already tell that the steering is much smoother when I turn the wheel. It was a little bit choppy before. The old fluid wasn't like the worst that I've seen, but it definitely wasn't the best. I didn't do a complete flush because I only have a little bit of the CHF 11S left. So I just removed the old fluid from the reservoir and then filled it up to where I was happy with it. But on Monday when the dealership is back open, I'm gonna go ahead and buy another quart of that, and then I'll do a complete flush, which is basically the same process. You just keep repeating it, siphon out the old stuff, put in new stuff, siphon out the old stuff, put in the new stuff, turn the wheels, let it get through the system until all of the fluid is a nice bright Mountain Dew green color. But yeah, overall it fit really good, looks really nice. Pretty easy to install. Power steering fluid is just gross, man. It gets everywhere no matter what you do, so be prepared to do a little bit of cleanup. It is what it is. But I'll have this link down below for you guys if you're interested in buying it. It is billet aluminum construction. It eliminates all of the nasty leaks that you get with the plastic one, which is just inevitable with older cars. The fittings are much nicer on the bottom side. You shouldn't run into any leaks down the road. It's also an upgraded 0.45 liter capacity for better cooling and reduced overflow. It's got internal baffles to remove the bubbles caused by the pump cavitation. It has a removable internal mesh filter, and it's nice that it's compatible with all of the factory mounts and hoses and everything, so looks really, really nice. One thing I wanted to add is I actually got my 15 mil spacers for the rear, and we're still not quite there. She's just a little bit too sunken in for my liking, so I think we're gonna have to go 18 in the rear, and then we'll probably have to do 12 up front. The front is pretty good. Front is pretty good. Could definitely get away with just doing 10, but I think we can make it a little bit tighter. It sucks because, you know, I haven't gotten my alignment and I have to wait for my suspension to do any of that. So camber is gonna change. A lot of things are gonna change. So it's kind of hard to visualize what the, you know, the right setup is gonna be without actually having the proper alignment, the proper camber, the proper suspension, but we'll get there. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this one. 2 cool new modifications for today. Got the billet power steering reservoir and the aluminum under tray. This thing's coming along nicely, I must say. Obviously, I have a lot of other stuff coming for this car, but I do have one thing coming soon that I'm so excited to put on. Can't wait to share with you guys. Anyways, guys, thank you as always for watching the videos. I appreciate the support. I'll see you in the next one.